So sounds good. So can you
Yep.
share your screen right now?
Yeah. Is my screen visible?
Okay, sure. So first of all, you have already tried
Yeah.
logging as the administrator's account, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So when I talk about administrator, is not the user account as an administrator, is the administrator of the Windows system. Is that
Yeah.
right?
It's just one account here since it's my personal computer, I guess.
Sorry?
It's my personal computer, so I guess the user account is the administrator account, right?
Not necessary. So
Okay.
there for Windows, there is a real like administrator, which allows you to full control your computer. So it's still different as your user account, administrative user account, let's say.
Okay.
But if you haven't tried that,
Yeah.
the first a possible solution is that you activate the that administrative account,
Okay.
which I already put it let me put it in chat. You can try later on, but I'm gonna try another method that you could
Okay.
work through.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so it's here. So I'm going to put it in the chat. So if you open that link,
Okay.
there's go down, go to the very down. Yes, so go down. Yeah, the bottom of the page.
Okay. I'll just go to the.
So there's no issue here, exact here, the XML parsing error.
Yeah.
So there's a solution like you can enable administrator account by click start and type command prompt.
Yeah.
So that using this method, you're gonna really activate the administrator account. But for today, let's not try that because otherwise you have to log into that administrator.
I think I had like tried this, but it didn't work that time. So
okay,
yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
So the second method is let's try using the command line to run a job. So can you go to your user interface here?
Yeah.
Yes. So first of all, now if you use the graphic user interface, you're gonna submit the job here, right?
Yeah.
If you use the command line, you are not submitting your job through here. So you're going to use the command line. But other than that, everything else will be exactly the same. So you still develop your model in this CAE or graphic user interface here. And also you process your results in this user interface. It's just a job we're going to submit, not through this interface, but through the command line. So the first step is when you finish your modeling setup, you go to your job one. For example, here now you created a job one, right? Even though it's imported. So right click on that.
Okay.
And let's say write input.
Yeah.
Okay. So it says yes, okay. You know where's your work directory, is that right?
I think so. I'll just check once.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so please go to that. Please go to that folder.
Yeah, just go. Yeah.
Okay, so I think you drop one thing.
It's this one, I think.
Yes.
4:14 p.m.
Right. So this IMP file It's the
Yeah.
input file. That's why its extension is INP, right?
Yeah.
So you can open it as a text file. I don't know if you know that or not.
Yeah, I just open with maybe Notepad or something.
Yeah, yes. So you can open that.
Yeah.
So that actually contains every information of your model, the mesh, the boundary conditions, material properties, blah, 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 everything that you need in your model.
Okay.
So that's actually the file that you need for the solver. So next is to use the command line to submit the drop -1 file. So you close this window, this interface.
Okay.
Go to your address bar here. Click on your bar or
Where? Can you just point
top
once more?
here.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Should I just
click on
type
that.
some?
Yes.
Yeah.
And type CMD.
Just CMD?
Yes.
Yeah.
Enter.
Okay.
So that starts a command line window right at your current directory, right? It's like user RG Abaqus Civil 515. Okay. The next step is type Abaqus. So that's space. So Abaqus means you're going to start the Abaqus. Say job job equal to the file name, which is capital JOB-1. Okay, so now you're specifying that you wanted to run the job with the file name, with the input file name job-1.imp. You don't need to specify .imp though. So you say enter. Okay, now because you previously tried to run the job file, right? So there's something, if you're going to run, it's going to override those. You definitely say yes. Enter. Okay, now go to your file explorer.
File explorer, okay.
Yes. So now it should be running that case. Now, I would recommend you to sort out your file by date modified.
Yeah.
Yes. So the job 1. So now all of them are created at the 417, which looks good. I assume you already finished your case, but we can check. So the file that you wanted to check, there are a couple of files you want to check. One is STA file. So please open that STA file using the text editor. Okay, good. So this is exactly what you see actually in your user interface when you click on the monitor your case, right?
Yeah.
It's
correct.
just now you're viewing your case using a text file.
Okay.
So basically, software actually come to this file and parse it and put it in the user interface so that you can view there. So that's the file tells you it's finished. So next, it's you wanted to because now it says it's successfully finished. The next step is you go to your user interface, Abaqus.
Yeah.
And then right click on your drop 1 and say results.
Oh.
Now click on that, check your results.
Yeah.
So it should be here.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the method that we use if you got this issue. Even you are you have already logged in as an administrator account.
Okay.
It's not as convenient as when you use the user interface to submit the job, but it still works, right?
Yeah. Correct.
So we don't know what's the reason. What causing this? Probably it's because you don't have the permission for some of the port. But yeah, we just know this this works. So
That's true.
okay.
Well, yeah, that's really helpful. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So yeah, I think that we can finish today, right? It's
Yeah,
good.
true. Thanks a lot for your
Yeah,
time.
no problem.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna stop. I also thank you to allow me to to record